T2127 Land Rover Defender Exhaust Tip Kit Installation Guide. First, slide tailpipes clamp onto the tailpipe trim assembly. Align the top flush. Pre-tighten the clamp screws to moderate tension. Note that the upper screws face the vehicle's exterior, the lower screws face the inside. Insert the tailpipe's trim assembly into the original exhaust pipe. Lightly snug the upper and lower clamp screws. Place the level bar on the assembly. Calibrate it to a horizontal position. Fully tighten the hose clamp. Apply rubber strips to the specified position. Cut strips to fit the car body connection bracket. Cut 3 pieces and stick them here. Install the tailpipe's trim panel. Insert the washer and tighten the nut. Install 2 car body fixed brackets. Install the tailpipe's adapting piece. Note that the left-right markings and ensure correct orientation. Secure with flathead screws. Repeat for the opposite side. Remove 3 original tailgate screws. Use 2 undercarriage screws to install the tailpipe's trim panel. Install the tailpipe's trim panel. Place upper and lower washers in the bracket. Do not fully tighten initially. Finalize by torquing the tailgate screws. Tailpipe's trim panel. First, insert a wrench into the fixing position. Screw in another screw on the other side. Screw in another screw on the other side. The installation guide ends here. Thank you for choosing T2127.